Hi guys, welcome to this ultra luxury modern custom home that we just recently styled. Come on inside, I want to give you a tour. A brief description of this house. We actually came to see it a few weeks ago and it was almost finished, so I had to start choosing my most special pieces. I'm standing in the foyer right now, and as you can see, everything is absolutely so grand. High ceilings, floor to ceiling windows. I'm standing here at this future wall that you see behind me made of stone and a combination of wood. And we decided to do a beautiful chrome bench in front of it just to neutralize things a little. So they've done a lot of glass divisions in the house, and that's carried in through the staircase, which I absolutely love in modern homes because it creates a more open concept space. So from the other side of the house, you get to see what's going on in the great room. I personally like that. You have floor to ceiling windows throughout the great room. We have a beautiful grand fireplace, as you can see here, done in natural stone. And the stone is carried out throughout the floors with heated flooring, of course, because in places like Toronto, Canada, or other cooler climate places, you absolutely need to have heated floors because it could get pretty cold in the wintertime. So we decided to use our custom ottomans that we make for some of our projects. The coloring just suited this space so well with our low profile sectional. And of course, I don't want to take away from this beautiful view that we have here. Guys, think about it. Your great room is facing your pool. So you have this beautiful open concept floor to ceiling windows, and this is your view. I know right now it's not the greatest, but summertime, oh my gosh, you could just kick back here, relax, entertain, and it just has such a nice, cool feel to it. I love it. I absolutely love the finishes that they did in the kitchen. Such warm tones. You have the white marble countertops carried through on the backsplash, which is absolutely a stunning feature. I always recommend it to all of the builders. It's just a very nice, clean, sleek look. The cabinets are done in a warm taupe with black hardware, and this black is carried throughout with all of the windows and other hardware used throughout the house. So we carried it through with our accessories and our furniture. We have a wall of cabinetry here. This is anybody's dream kitchen. Storage space, there is nothing lacking here. So you have all this built-in cabinetry. Then you have the fridge and freezer built in, and it's all paneled, so the cabinetry is continuous. And then we have a warmer oven here, and we have a built-in oven. Nice. And you have the freezer on this side. No, that's the fridge, that's the freezer. But I love this. I love this concept. If you have the space for it, definitely consider doing a nice seamless built-in. So what we did here was we continued our breakfast area into the kitchen. We did a 6-seater. I opted to do a natural wood table just because I felt like it goes with the finishes of the house. And we brought in some of our greenery here, which is always a nice touch. It adds color. It adds more vibrance to the space. Okay guys, I found another corner that's connected to the kitchen. Let's go look at the servery, because yes, every house needs a servery. Look at this outstanding job that they did. I love the finishes with the metal, the black. Same countertop used on the other side, but voila, so chic and elegant, right? Just with little finishes, you can make a space look so beautiful. So guys, when you have a project come your way that is this beautiful and this luxurious, you need to have the right pieces for it. And one of the things that we had to do was get new chairs. So we got these new chairs for this project, and I absolutely love them. They have a round back. They're substantial in size. They look small, but they're pretty comfortable. It has black suede fabric and little gold feet, which I love because it matches the beautiful light fixture that we have here. All of the details in this room are done in black, white, and gold. So we basically followed suit with that style, brought in some green moss, which is also in the artwork here, which I absolutely love. So it kind of carries through, brings some pop of color to the wall. And I want to show you this because this is really cool. They have a feature wall, which is all paneled with wood, and they have mirrored details and also suede inserts, which is really cool because guys, when you mix and match materials together, it just adds so much more dimension and so much more of a luxurious feel to the space versus having just plain paneling. Mix it up, mirror, wood, and suede, or any kind of fabric or any kind of wallpaper. Try it out, I'm sure you'll like it. Here we go again with the paneled cabinetry. This is an absolutely stunning detail, guys. Gives so much dimension to the wall, right? Versus just doing flat doors. And you have the glass display shelf here, and they've used the same stone that they had in the kitchen into the wine wall, I'd like to call it. And this is, of course, our gold. How do we open this? Here we go. He's done gold bottles. I love this detail. This much detail to any space, it just shows perfection, and it shows how much work has been put into a space, really. Have you ever seen, well, I'm sure you have, but this is one of those homes to show off that it has a luxury office in it. We have oversized smoked glass doors, which is a great feature. I love this because it adds a lot of boldness to the wall. And we have the same fluting carried on into the walls here. We decided to do an oversized desk. And again, I wanted to keep the feature of the gold finishes. So we brought in the brass into the office. And guys, look at all of this detail here. They have lighting inserted into the walls. This is absolutely stunning. At nighttime, when you drive by here, this is like a art piece, this house, because you have so many beautiful details that are showing off outside, right? You have that indoor-outdoor feel. Talk about oversized art. Guys, we collaborated with Anthony Riccardi, and he does amazing work. Here's one of them. Look at this absolutely stunning piece of art that he put up on this feature wall. It goes pretty much from downstairs to upstairs. But the cool thing is, when you're standing pretty much from the foyer to the great room, you see this view because everything is glass, right? So we had to choose something that was nice and bold and amazing. And this is it. Love it. Okay, so the theme of this room was keeping it light and neutral, obviously, because the house is pretty airy. But this house, we opted not to do a headboard because it has a feature wall done with the wood, and this is a white oak, and they've done the nice details in the suede panels, which I love. It just kind of breaks up all the wood and it adds dimension with the different material used. And he's done some panels here with a darker wood finish, which kind of frames the wall here. So I decided not to do a headboard and just keep this wall as the feature wall and just put something low profile with nice neutral pillows to go on top of it. And we brought in the black throw because it goes with everything else that's black in the house. They also have a built-in TV on this spectacular wall, and it's all paneled, and these are all units that open up, so there's even more storage going on in the house. Guys, I don't think I've ever been in a master ensuite that has so much natural light in it, and I feel like the people coming into here are definitely going to need some blinds. But we have floor-to-ceiling windows carried throughout the house. High ceilings. This is about 10-foot ceiling that we have on the second floor, which is an absolute bonus in any house. They have the black finishes that they've done carried through upstairs in the bathrooms. The vanity here is so special. There's a one-piece slab of marble with integrated sinks. The brass light fixture, so seamless, so clean looking, so elegant. You don't always need to go big and bold to make it look elegant. This is absolutely stunning. And they've done wall-mounted custom faucets that are absolutely stunning, again, with a black finish. Love this house. Wasn't it pretty spectacular though? I absolutely love walking through this house every single time. Every time I see new details and I get inspired. So I hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough and let us know what you think. Drop us a line like, comment, subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't already, check us out on Instagram @StyleWithSanaz. We'll catch you next time. See ya.